Donald Trump may be on the way to the White House, but his tangled web of legal problems are coming with him. The president-elect is facing more than 70 lawsuits and could soon be heading to court.
He's heading into the White House with more baggage than most, but after he takes the oath of office to become president, Donald Trump could soon find himself under oath in a courtroom. The billionaire businessman is being sued in dozens of cases involving fraud, sexual harassment and failure to pay his bills, just to name a few. Among the most serious, 3 lawsuits involving the now-defunct Trump University.
Success. It's going to happen to you.
Students who paid tens of thousands of dollars claim the now president-elect falsely claimed he'd helped them become rich and that he'd personally selected the faculty.
These are all people that are hand-picked by me.
Bob Guillo was one of them.
They promised me that I would be one of the insiders and that whenever Trump put up a condominium in the United States, that we would get first crack at getting into it.
All he got was a picture.
He took my self-respect and he embarrassed me.
That trial is due to begin at the end of the month. While Trump was at the White House yesterday, his lawyers were in court before the same judge Trump accused of bias during the election campaign because he's Mexican.
He's a hater. His name is Gonzalo Curiel. And he is not doing the right thing.
But throughout the campaign, the billionaire also threatened to bring his own set of lawsuits against the women who claimed he sexually assaulted them.
I stood up and he came to me and started kissing me open-mouthed as he was pulling me towards him.
All of these liars will be sued after the election is over.
Bring it on, says the women's lawyer.
If, in fact, he carries out his threat and sues them, then I will recommend to my clients that they file a lawsuit, a cross-complaint against Mr. Trump, alleging defamation.
His business interests may also create conflict for the soon-to-be president. During his campaign, he took time off to promote his brand with a trip to his golf course in Scotland before opening a new hotel in Washington. But nothing raises more questions than Trump's ties to Russian investors. With his beauty pageants and his buildings, Trump has been promoting himself to Russians for years, travelling to Moscow and other former Soviet states with his children.
I'm here in Baku, Azerbaijan.
But as a candidate, he tried to minimise any business connections to Russia and found himself the butt of many jokes.
She's a liar. I don't know Putin. I've never met Putin. What is even a Putin?
I'm running to store. You need anything?
I'm good, thanks, sweetie.
Will I sell condos to Russians on occasion? Probably. But I have no relationship to Russia.
The developer of a Trump-licensed hotel project in Toronto is a Russian-born billionaire, and promotional videos attracted hundreds of wealthy Russians to buy luxury apartments in Trump projects in Florida until US sanctions cut off the flow. During the campaign, Trump said he was open to lifting those sanctions.
We'll be looking at that, yeah, we'll be looking.
He likes Russia because he likes beautiful Russian ladies and he likes talking to them, of course, and he likes to be able to make a lot of money with Russians, yes, correct.
But Trump maintained there'd be no conflict in dealing with Russia because his children would run his business in a blind trust.
Well, I don't see how you have a blind trust when you know what's in the blind trust.
Cassandra Wallace, 9 News.